Yo, welcome back YouTube. It's your boy Billetworkz back in here with the unrevealing boxing install video. So as you see, I got a new package. Let me grab the other little part that I have for it as well. Let me see, where is it at? There it is right here. All right, there's a little sneak peek of what's included in the package. Bow! Racer X, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and crack this baby open. So I got this I'm gonna install today, the shifter cable bushing. Beautiful packaging, y'all, beautiful package, look at that. So all right, we'll open up this first one. Toyota GR Corolla lateral shake linkage, sorry. All right, first time seeing this, y'all. Ooh, nice and pretty. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be solid. USA made, baby. Belts inside. This one's got some weight to it. All right, Toyota GR Corolla shifter deadweight. All right, y'all see it, Racer X. Damn, that's heavy. Ooh, that's gonna make a difference. That is gonna make a solid difference. Nice padding with the package. All right, go ahead and set that to the side. All right, we got obviously a thank you card. This is my, like you said, third product from them. They do this in every single package, which is good. And you got the Racer X Fabrication sticker. Got the white one on this one. All right, so for one of my, we need to get down here in this area right there. So the air intake needs to come off, and other than that, this should be it. All right, y'all, I'm back. So what I'm doing right now on each of those, as I showed you guys earlier, it has the actual QR code right there. So I was just scanning the QR code for the install instructions, and that's what pops up right there. So first off, it's gonna be same for like majority of all of it because it's all in the same area. We're gonna start by removing these clips, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Pop these clips off without breaking them. One thing I do recommend too when doing stuff like this is taking a picture, or in my case, a video of how everything was before and after. So that way, if you find any extra pieces at the end, you can pretty much find out where they came from. Put that out, there we go. All right, step 2 is loosen the air box clamp using a 10mm socket. Unplug the MAF connector and remove the wire routing tab from the air box. So we're gonna remove this clamp, this, and this. So that it's gonna be back here is where that air clamp box is at. All right, there's the bad image right there. All right, that's step 2. All right. Step 3, all right, remove 2 more plastic clips. Remove the plastic air duct routes from the OEM air box, unplug. Small holes, only one, remove from air box routing tabs. All right, y'all. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna take that out. I'm gonna just set this right over here. So, I don't wanna put too much stress on that hose though either. There we go, boom. There's, voila, magic, voila, magic. Remove the lorry portion. Yep, did that, lifting up. It's about 3 mounting points. Remove 2 retaining clips, shifter cables. All right, I'm gonna end up fast forwarding through some parts so that way I can just walk you guys through whatever I'm doing. All right, this brick right here, places this brick right here. Now, did they make it simple for us? No. Why would they do that? 12mm, gotcha, on the way. Okay, what it says. All right, y'all, back. Sorry for the different footage. It's gonna be off my phone, camera got hot. But the lateral linkage lever, so what it's made for, I already took off this right here. As you can see, that was the other part we got, which was the shifter deadweight. As you can see, this is the aftermarket Racer X, tight, beautiful quality, and it is solid. It is definitely heavy. So this is that one, and then this is what came off of it. So I mean, y'all, just look at the difference of that. All right, so put this one back to the side. So I'm gonna install this, but first, before we do that, lateral linkage lever. Now, why would you want to do a lateral linkage lever install? Like, everything's already good, you know what I'm saying? But if it's good, why not make it better, right? So if you look at here, lateral, left to right, right here. Look at that play right here. Look at that play. So what the Racer X does with their solid fabrication is they eliminate that. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and take all this off, replace it with the Racer X, do before and after, and I'll get back with you guys. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I took it off. So the only thing you would need to do is remove the pin that goes right here, which is, let me clear it up, right there. And these bolts right here, these bolts came from right there. Those are two 14mm bolts. So once you remove those two, and that, or first the pin and then those two bolts, it'll become out real easy. Now, what you need to do, you mind this right here, this cap is gonna go on the Racer X cap. So let me go ahead and swap over these items and get that Racer X put in there, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, y'all, there it is. Got the Racer X Deadweight linkage. Clear it up, there it is. And then also, I'm trying to see if I can place the bushings as well. So that one on the bottom and this one right here on top. This, and then you can see it inside here on this one. So replace those. And that was it. So if I had to rate the install difficulty, man, 30 minutes to an hour, if that. So I'll say a 2, maybe 3 if you're mechanically not as savvy. But yeah, that's the Racer X Fabs products right there, y'all. I'll let you guys know. Like I said, nowhere near sponsor or anything like that. I just wanted to do something that'll help my daily enjoyment. So that's it, right, y'all? So please hit that like and subscribe button. More little DIYs and videos coming soon. Appreciate y'all. Later. Peace.